Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an entire illustration based on the isometric view. So let's begin. First of all, we need to answer the question, what is the isometric view? The isometric view is a way to display three-dimensional objects in a 2D environment. The term isometric comes from the Greek, which means equal size, because unlike perspective, on this view each angle is equal to the other. This concept has existed for centuries and it's been used in architecture, engineering, and even art. You may be familiar with the works of M.C. Escher, who created amazing illustrations using the isometric view. Also, you're probably familiar with isometric art due to video games. This projection has been adapted by video games since the very beginning. We're talking about the early 80s. This allowed the developers to create pseudo 3D effects and bypass the graphical limitations of that era. So isometric art is deeply rooted in mathematics and geometry. So, at first glance, it may sound complicated. But don't worry, today we're going to learn a quick and easy way to use it on Adobe Illustrator that's totally math-free and completely intuitive.